We've talked about what AI can do for property management, but the real gap isn't tasks. It's judgment, behavior, and more importantly, risk. Most property decisions aren't simply black and white. For example, should you approve a tenant who's almost qualified? Should you raise the rent now or wait? Should you renew or replace a tenant? AI simply gives you a rule, but experienced management makes the decision based on context. Good management isn't about being right. It's about being right in the situation. Reading people is where most landlords underestimate the job. For example, a tenant who pays late, but they communicate well. A tenant who looks perfect on paper, but causes issues. Knowing when someone is going to be a problem. AI doesn't read tone. It doesn't see patterns in behavior. It doesn't deal with people. People do not equal data. AI cannot assess real-time risk. Property management is consistent decision-making under pressure. For example, emergency repairs at night, tenant conflict, potential legal issues. You don't have time to ask AI, wait, and then act. You need to already know what to do. Speed plus experience is going to equal protection for you. Now, why does this all matter financially? Let's tie it back to the numbers because that's really what's important. One wrong decision can lead to, for example, $2,700 in vacancy, $5,000 in repair, legal delays. This isn't theoretical. This is what happens. We all use AI on a daily basis, and it's a fantastic tool, but property management is still a people business. This aspect of it, it's not going anywhere anytime soon.